And I'm a freshman here at the Mary Louise Academy. My first visit to TMLA was about a year ago when I came to visit for Open House. Last year I was sitting in the same seat as you are today, excited to learn more about this amazing school and what it has to offer. From the time that I walked through the doors and was greeted, the faculty and students had already made me feel somewhat like family. After going around the school with a tour guide, learning about the incredible academic opportunities, and gaining information on clubs and programs, I realized that this was a school that I wanted to attend for my 4 years of high school. Orientation was probably the best part of my summer. I got to meet new people, explore the school even more, gain more knowledge on how to get around, participate in many activities, and get a slight taste of what it's like to give back to the community. Our homeroom advisors and voice leaders were extremely helpful in comforting our nerves and making all of us feel welcomed into the school. My first day of school at TMLA was nerve-wracking but exciting nonetheless. I got lost plenty of times, but the faculty and students were there to help every step along the way. A few weeks ago, we had our club fair. This gave the students a chance to participate in many activities outside of academics. I personally want to start giving back to the community and learn how to bake. So I was delighted to find out that there is a baking club, adopted grandparent club, and soup kitchen program. What I appreciated most from coming to the school was the fact that we were able to choose the classes that we wanted to take for the year. For example, my weakest subject is math. Although I passed the algebra regents, I knew I wasn't ready for an accelerated math course. Instead of being placed into an honors class, I was able to pick the course that best fit my needs. It also gave me a sense of freedom, knowing that I was allowed to move at my own pace. The faculty at TMLA is amazing. They genuinely care about every student and are not hesitant to help when needed. The teachers are dedicated to our education, making sure we understand what we're learning, as well as taking out extra time to guide us when we don't. So far, when I've had questions about a topic or I've been confused about a lesson, I have felt comfortable enough to go to the teachers about it. The old me would have either waited until someone asked the same question or just went on without knowing what we were learning. At TMLA, though, I feel confident in asking a question, knowing I won't be criticized for being confused or not understanding something. I have enjoyed every class that I've had so far, which is something that I couldn't say before I started TMLA. It's going on 6 weeks that I've attended the Mary Louise Academy, and they have been a great experience thus far. I have made friendships that I'm sure will last a lifetime, have been given opportunities to find my passions outside of academics, and the chance to partake in several service activities. While I do not know what the next 4 years will bring, I'm confident that TMLA will help me to grow and develop my true self. Thank you.